If your Samsung phone isn't showing the call recording option, you're definitely not the only one facing this. A lot of Samsung users run into this problem, and it can be frustrating when you need to record a call and the button simply isn't there. Luckily, there are several reliable steps you can try that usually bring the feature back. Start by checking one of the most common causes, Wi-Fi calling. Open your phone app, tap the three dots, go into settings, and look for the Wi-Fi calling toggle. If it's turned on, switch it off. On many Samsung models, Wi-Fi calling conflicts with call recording and hides the option completely. Turning it off often fixes the issue instantly. If not, the next thing you should do is force stop the phone app. Go to your system settings, scroll to apps, search for phone, and tap it. Hit force stop to completely shut down the app's processes. This refreshes the core functions and can restore missing menu options. Once that's done, stay in the phone app settings and go to storage. Tap clear data and confirm. This does not delete your contacts or call history. It only removes temporary files and outdated configuration data inside the app. These small files often cause glitches, and clearing them gives the phone app a clean restart. If the call recording option still doesn't appear, try doing a reset all settings. Go to settings, then general management, then reset, and choose reset all settings. This does not remove your photos, apps, accounts, or personal files. It only resets system preferences such as Wi-Fi networks, accessibility settings, sounds, and app permissions. After the reset, open the phone app again and check if the recording option has returned. If none of these steps fix it, the issue may be tied to regional restrictions. Samsung disables call recording in certain countries because of local privacy rules. In those regions, the feature won't appear regardless of settings. It may also depend on your carrier, your phone model, or the firmware version you're using. Carrier-branded models are especially known for blocking call recording permanently. If you suspect this is the case, your best move is to contact Samsung support. They can check your exact model, software version, and region to confirm whether call recording should be available on your device or not.